Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to make money online with print on demand in 2025. It is one of the easiest online businesses because you don't hold any inventory and the products are printed and shipped only when someone buys them. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to pick a niche and the product. You need to decide who you want to sell to and what products fit. For that, you can also use Printful. When you come here on Printful and click on the option of product categories, you will see a bunch of different categories to choose from. Some of the popular categories include t-shirts, mug, phone cases, tote bags. A clear niche like pet lovers, gamers, and motivational quotes helps you to stand out. Now is the time for you to choose the design of your product. For that, you can just simply use Canva. Canva is absolutely free and it is going to give you a bunch of different templates to create the design. If you are a professional designer, you can also use Photoshop. So here you can create stunning designs. Once you have your designs ready, now is the time for you to connect it to the print on demand platform. For that, you are going to find one of the most popular print on demand service platforms like Printful, Printify, or Gelato. So you can use any one of these. Let's say you are on Printful. So here, once you create your account on Printful, you need to come on the home page, then connect your store with it. Your store can be Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce. So when someone buys from your store, the order is basically fulfilled by Printful, Printify, or Gelato, whichever you chose. So here you can decide your selling price. For example, for a t-shirt, you are going to get it for $10. So you can add more margins into it and sell it for $30 or $40. After that, in order to promote your products, you can use social media. You can create videos showing your designs on the real products, and you can also seek the influencer shoutouts and paid advertisements that can also help boost traffic. So this is how you can make money online with print on demand in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.